Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Bites Officer Because They Stole Her ID.
Hi there. What's going on?
Uno de tus guardiacitos,
The what now?
uno de tus pendejos guardias, Toledo, se robó mi tarjeta de identidad.
You speak English?
I don't speak English and Spanish. Y I don't say in English. He take my card, the identity. Y como es federal, he's supposed to not take the copy. And he's running in the car for over there and not take my car.
Who took your car?
It's my personal car.
Who took your car?
Un policía de ustedes. Uno de tu equipo.
What?
One police.
What about the police?
I don't care what happened to the police. I need my card.
What car?
My ID.
What ID?
If he not take me my ID, I'm putting one report por robo de identidad y de niño. ¿Qué avance?
Hey, stand over there.
A mí no me venga a acosar. Que ustedes son los que me están acosando a mí. No quiero una bufeta.
Just relax. Are you jumping out in front of cars? Stopping people?
I'm not jumping. I'm still the people because she had my card.
She had what card?
The police take my card, other person, I don't know who is.
So why are you jumping out in front of traffic trying to get
But
people
she
to
take me
stop?
my card.
What did they have to do with it?
My ID, my personal ID de estatal.
So what did the lady that you stopped here have to do with your ID?
¿Para qué ponen policías pendejos en la puta?
You can stop all the swearing. I don't need it. Just tell me what the hell is going on. You're not making any sense. You're jumping out in front of traffic talking about the police having your ID, but you jumped out in front of somebody that wasn't the police.
I'm not jumping anything police. I say he need give me my card.
Somebody just called and said you jumped out in front of him. Hey, get over here.
Ningún carajo here. This is mine.
I don't care. You are not.
Uh-oh, time to get her together.
Down on the ground.
Jump the cabrón.
Don't bite me. Don't fucking bite me. No me muerda. She's trying to bite me.
She's going to hit me. Relax.
Like she's trying to bite and kick and all that kind of stuff.
Hit me.
Stop. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
No tienes que lograrme que me dejen de restarme, pero es ponerme las porquerías cosas de ese tipo.
Quit kicking.
Recuerda de mí toda la vida.
Yeah, she kicked me too.
She's going for ag bat times 3 now. She got all kinds of stuff shoved in her shirt too. You can see all kinds of bulges and shit.
Okay.
What's it?
You have to cut it.
Well,
Okay.
I want a female officer to come and search her.
Let's try to get a Vero. She almost kicked me in the nuts.
Yeah. Relax. You ain't going anywhere.
Stop moving. Si no te mueves, me voy a poner arriba de ti, ¿ok?
Y yo te voy a romper los huevos.
Okay. Bueno.
22-1. I have one adult female, 10-15. Can you contact Vero, see if they have a female officer for a search?
Yeah, I don't know. And she's saying that he stole her ID.
So what's she jumping out in front of cars for?
Yeah. Okay.
Por eso la paré, a ver si este pendejo se movía y la paraba ahí.
Something about some other female was harassing her, and then she trying to get in the car and run away, and she got on top of the car. She tried to basically cut up or something, I don't know.
Did she hit you?
Yes.
Puede pararme.
She hit me and she's trying to bite me twice.
Where did she hit you?
Hit me on the legs.
She kicked you?
Yeah.
She kicked you?
She was doing the...
Yeah, I saw her kick you. She kicked me and she hit me, so
Yeah.
she's wrong. I don't even know.
Si me ayudas a pararme porque estoy
Yo
idiota.
te voy a ayudar.
I need my backpack.
Un momentico.
Tráeme el
It
carrito.
don't matter. I'm sure we want
No,
to...
para ponerle a la
Ven para
nena.
acá un momentico.
Señora, por favor. Tengo mi otra idea ahí.
Mira para acá. Si no vas con nosotros, te vamos a llevar.
Listen to me.
¿Ok? No, tú tienes que
Listen
lucirnos
to me.
nosotros.
Ahí está la
Camina.
otra ID que me dio el cabrón policía.
Vamos a llevar eso
La
por un
puse
momentito.
ahora
Ven
mismo
para acá.
ahí.
Take her over to my car because we're going to put her in my car and she's going to go in my car anyway. What?
No me dobres el brazo, pues, ¿sabes qué?
She's trying to kick me again.
She kicked me again.
No hagas eso. Que no puedo, idiota.
She fell herself.
Yep. She dropped it. I saw it.
Ven, levántate.
one word. Deport. Deport. Just that's it. That's it. That's it, man. This right here, this is just deport. Okay? It's over. You're already in cuffs. You're still trying to fight with the police. And then now you're trying to get a lawsuit by flopping your ass on the ground like a goddamn whale or a fish. Just deport. Just please. Just, you know, and I don't even really like to get into all of that, but this right here, just send them back with it. Yeah, just go ahead, man. Just go ahead, man. Go ahead, man. You know it's bad when a Spanish speaking, a guy who is Hispanic descent can't even understand you. The cop who is Hispanic, he only understanding bits and pieces of what she's saying. He like, yeah, something, you know, it's like speaking in code or some shit. Like, it's just like he can't even crack the code. He barely understanding what she's saying. This is oh no. Oh no. Look at this shit.
She fell herself.
Yep, she dropped herself.
And then look at all that weight that came down on her knee onto the concrete, boy. Oof, golly.
She kicked me again.
She fell herself.
Yep, she dropped herself. I saw it.
Ven, levántate.
Here, right here. Right here.
She got something on her?
I don't know what she has on her. She's got all kinds of bulgy shit underneath her shirt. So
At this point, she should take it off.
Déjame eso quieto ahí. Don't have anything, bro. Oh my goodness, what happened with you?
She got all that on her?
La cabrona de ella quiere quitarme mis cosas personales todo el tiempo. Siempre se la pasa poniendo que eres y excusa para tener mis cosas personales. Y yo ahora no se va a joder porque es de mi apartamento.
Let's get it.
Ahí está.
The woman was arrested by the Indian River County Sheriff's Office and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, 3 counts.
Yeah, this is just this is terrible, man. This oh man, I ain't even got nothing to say about this. This is just remember this one word and it starts with a D. Deport. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.